2020 and Happy New Year. This is going to be my first tutorial of the year. That move you saw is actually a combo or a combination of different moves. The first thing you saw was a downward folding, front folding escalator, and that's followed by a behind the body wrap, and then you just bring it back up to keep going, fold down, wrap to make it continuous. So let's break it down. The first move you're going to have to know is the front forward folding escalator, which looks like this. Front as it folds forward. In contrast, it is not backwards folding. Front folding for this one. If you don't know this move, I actually do have a tutorial to it, so I'll make sure to link it in this video. So just back up to that. I'm not going to break that one down. So once you have that down, the second part of the first step is just catching it behind your back to prep you for step 2. So if you're starting on your right hand like I am, you're going to catch with your opposite hand, which is my left. Left hand, left side of my body, front forward folding down escalator. You're going to see that I catch it behind my back. That's going to be some muscle memory depending on your accuracy of your front forward folding down escalator, where your hand needs to be. But that's just going to be muscle memory, figuring out the timing, and making sure you can always catch it. That's step 1. Now we're halfway there. Once you have it behind your body, you just have to do that like smear behind the body wrap. So I have to somehow try to get my body, the hoop around my body like a coin flip almost. You essentially want it to do that, right? So my hand's behind here, you twist your arm, kind of just some wrist action, and then at the same time, you want to bring your opposite hand to catch it on the other side. Without the momentum of the down escalator, it's a little bit tricky, but the idea is wrist action, and then catch on the other side. So in one swell motion, that would be the move. Down escalator, catch behind your back, flick it, catch with the other side. How do we make it continuous? Once you have it in your other hand, just bring it up. You'll see that if I try to bring it up my body, I'm stuck, right? My body doesn't work this way. So just let the hoop naturally do what it wants to do. If it wants to fold this way, let it do that. And you just bring it up. Now look what position we're in. Front forward escalator to make it continuous. That's really the trick, guys. So as always, feel free to leave any comments or questions, but I will leave you with one different transition idea that I kind of played around with. So once you are here, there's a few different things you can do. When you're in this position, what we did before was bring it up completely to reset. Instead, you can actually smear it around your body and then reset. So it's still essentially the same move, but it makes it look really nice and foldy and pretty. And because these are escalators, you can imagine that they can just keep going from downward to upward escalator to down and up to, you know, some wraps and twists and turns. So I'm really excited to see what you guys do with it. If you do play with this tutorial, please tag me. I'd love to see them at Tanuki Twirls. Bye.